At the end of this, the shapes of the letters, you'll see 5 separate shapes that are changing forms. Those are called the Sofyth forms. Yeah, those 5. Okay, the Sofyth, Sof means end in Hebrew, Sof. So Sofyth is end forms. So there's a Chaf Sofyth, I'll just circle this. A Mem Sofyth, a Nun Sofyth, Fe Sofyth, and Tzadi Sofyth. Okay, so those 5 letters, when they come at the end of a word, change shape a little bit. You'll still recognize them. Okay? So let's see. I'm just going to put the letters on this line here. So you've got the Chaf here. Okay? And the Chaf Sofyth. So when you see the Chaf in the middle of a word, that's what it's going to look like. But at the end of the word, the Chaf Sofyth is going to unfold. So we got the Chaf here, we got the curve down, and it unfolds, just goes straight down. Okay? So this is a Chaf, and this is a Chaf Sofyth. Okay? Chaf Sofyth. The Mem, so I'm going to write the Mem in its normal form when it's inside of a word. Okay, that's a Mem with a little chimney. Then a Mem Sofyth actually turns into a box. It curls up. So you go across, and then you're going to go straight down. Then you're going to go in a little bit, so you still have a little chimney, but it's a sideways chimney. Go straight down and go straight across. That's a Mem Sofyth. So this is Mem, salud, Mem Sofyth. Okay, but it's still the M sound, right? And the Chaf is still the Chaf sound. So Chaf Sofyth, Mem Sofyth. Next is Nun. Make a little Nun, curving down, curve at the bottom. Okay, the Nun unfolds. So you make a little curve, go down, and just keep going down. That's Nun and Nun Sofyth. Okay. The next unfolded letter is the Fe. So you write that, remember it looks like the Chaf, coming across here, curve down, curve around, sticking out a little bit. So here's the Fe. Then the Fe Sofyth comes across, curves down, and goes straight down with that little hook here, okay? So this is a Fe and a Fe Sofyth. Okay. And then Tzadi is the last one. So remember, you make the Tzadi in a diagonal, and then a little spring holding it up, and then make a little Y here. So that's a Tzadi. When you unfold a Tzadi, this diagonal is going to become a lot narrower, a lot more up and down. But it's still going to be a bit of a diagonal. So you start up here, and you go down, 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 down. Okay, still a little diagonal, but it's straightening out. And then you make that little Y coming in, okay? So Tzadi and Tzadi Sofyth. Alrighty. So those are all the final forms, or the Sofyth forms. So let's review again. Let's go over the Sofyth forms. So let's say Chaf Sofyth, Mem Sofyth, Nun Sofyth, Fe Sofyth, Tzadi Sofyth. Good. All right? So every time we come to class, we're going to write out the Alef-Beyth. We're going to write out the final forms, the Sofyth forms. And should I go ahead and do the vowels? Okay. Let's just review this one more time, okay? Ready? Alef-Beyth, Gimel Dalet He, Vav Zayin Chet, Tet Yud Chaf, Lamed Mem Nun, Samech Ayin Fe, Tzadi Kuf, Resh Shin Tav. Excellent. Chaf, Chaf Sofyth. Mem, Mem Sofyth. Nun, Nun Sofyth. Fe, Fe Sofyth. Tzadi, Tzadi Sofyth. Okay. So I'm going to erase all this. And you have it written down so you don't have to panic. It's all there. And then we're going to work on the, I know this is a lot of material the first day, but don't worry, this is going to be repeated over and over again. So turn the page again. And the next lesson, let's see. Well, there's a whole bunch of letters written over and over again. I'm not going to go through the Dagesh form yet. I want to teach the vowels.